Hello everyone, back in Magnolicious after 3 long years, and today we're going to be making a cake. A Chocolate Town special cake from the Hershey's Chocolate Cookbook that's right here. So, let's get baking. Alright, so we've got all of our stuff we're going to be using to do our first part of the cake. We have a whisk and a small bowl. And for our ingredients, we have half a cup of cocoa powder and half a cup of water, boiling water. And we're going to pour the boiling water into the bowl. It's hot. Steam. We have cocoa powder. We're going to mix that and we're going to pour that in. And then we're going to mix it until smooth and combined. Okay, so after your cocoa mixture is smooth and combined, set it aside. And then what you're going to do is cream together 2 1/3 cup of shortening. I'm using a miniature spatula to scoop it out onto the bowl. Into the bowl, not into the bowl. Onto the bowl. Okay, and then you're going to have 2 teaspoons of vanilla into the bowl along with it. One cup of sugar. Okay, so what we're going to do now is cream the ingredients together using this handy mixer. And we're going to start on low and work our way up to medium. And now we're going to be mixing our dry ingredients. We have 2 1/4 of flour. We will pour that into a different bowl, not the other one. And we're also going to be mixing half teaspoon of salt and teaspoon of baking soda into our flour. Okay, so I have washed my whisk and we will be mixing all of the dry ingredients until completely mixed. Mix your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients in 3 equal parts. Mix in between. I'm pouring the first part in. A little bit more. And then I'm going to mix on low until completely mixed. Now pour in about a half of what you have left, and then mix on low again. Come to my hand spatula. Okay, now what you're going to do is mix the rest of your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients using a spatula, and you're going to fold it to mix it. Make sure to mix it all the way. And then what you need to do is add 1 1/3 cup of buttermilk into your ingredients. Back to your hand mixer again. You can put it on low or medium to mix it. And don't forget about the cocoa mixture you put aside at the beginning of the video. So you will take the cocoa mixture, you will pour it into your bowl, and then with your spatula, washed it, you will mix it in. It's all smoothly combined. Shh, you never saw this. Okay, so then I am going to be using a heart-shaped pan to be putting my cake batter in. I'm going to be using some cooking oil to spray it. Okay, so what you're going to do is take your spatula. We have washed it again. You're going to pour your cake batter in. Using your spatula. We put the oven on 350 and we're going to bake it for 30 minutes. Okay, so first of all, we have our cake out, and second of all, here's how long you need to bake the cake. 1 hour, because little by little we baked it for 10 minutes, and an hour was just how much you needed. Now all that's left for you to do is level your cake, decorate it how you want, and enjoy.